Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a water pump on your Ford Edge. This guide will help you tackle the job with confidence. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a socket set, various wrenches, and a reliable drain pan. You will also need a new water pump, a fresh gasket, and several gallons of the correct coolant. Always prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves throughout the process. Before beginning the removal process, it is vital to prepare your vehicle properly. Start by disconnecting the negative terminal of your car's battery to ensure no accidental electrical shorts occur. Next, position a large, clean drain pan directly underneath the radiator's drain plug. Carefully open the drain plug and allow all the old coolant to completely empty from the system. This step is crucial for a clean and safe working environment. Now, let's focus on removing the old water pump. Begin by loosening the tensioner and carefully removing the serpentine belt from the water pump pulley. Next, disconnect any hoses and electrical connectors that are attached to the pump itself. Be gentle to avoid damaging any components. Finally, using the appropriate socket, unbolt the old water pump from the engine block. Ensure you have a rag ready to catch any remaining coolant. With the old pump removed, it's time for the new installation. First, thoroughly clean the engine block's mounting surface to ensure a proper seal for the new gasket. Carefully position the new water pump and securely tighten all its mounting bolts to the manufacturer's specifications. Reconnect all hoses, the serpentine belt, and the negative battery terminal. Finally, refill the cooling system with fresh coolant and run the engine to bleed out any trapped air.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.